Here are the 10 ways to avoid porn addiction. Number 1, set boundaries for yourself and stick to them. Number 2, find healthy alternatives to fill your time and distraction from porn. Number 3, remove triggers from your environment, such as certain websites or social media accounts. Number 4, seek professional help if necessary. Number 5, keep a journal to track your progress and setbacks. Number 6, educate yourself on the harmful effects of porn addiction. Number 7, build a support system of friends or family who can hold you accountable. Number 8, consider joining a support group specific to porn addiction. Number 9, practice mindfulness and meditation techniques to help manage urges. Number 10,